grilled cheese. First time they're making chili for. Okay, you're gonna need cheese, bread.
But we're using hamburger buns. We have bread, but we just want to use hamburger buns.
Hey, this is my show. Shh. Yeah, so we're using hamburger buns and cheese and butter
And a stove and a pan.
for a stove and a pan in a house.
And a plate and a spatula.
Yeah, plate, spatula. Phillips's moonwalk. We're gonna move out of cheese.
What are you doing now, Chef Jaden?
Why is it my boots?
Is it my boots? Is it hard?
No, it's not hard. Oh, it's normal now. Okay. Let's get it.
So, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Okay, butter time. Wait, we gotta put on the pan. We'll be. Got done eating Sour Patch Kids. The butter time. Ooh, butter, butter, butter time, butter, butter, butter time, butter,
Butter, butter time. Butter, butter, butter time.
butter. Ooh,
Time.
butter time.
Thank you. Oh, gee, oh. Yeah.
Butter time.
I go to the recap again. Sorry. Butter time, butter time, butter time, butter time,
Yeah.
butter time,
Yeah.
butter time. Go ahead. That's sad.
Now so we're gonna put the cheese on now. But cheese time.
Cheese, cheese. Oh, cheese time. Oh, cheese time. You should put 2 of it.
You're gonna put like 3.
Put 2 on this one and maybe like 1 on that one. Because this one is good with it. You can tell. That's you. And that garbage is me.
I put the 3rd one on this.
You're not supposed to put a butter down.
Oh crap. I didn't mind. Oops.
Make it good, cheese. We'll be back right after.
Oh crap. Center time.
Center time.
Why does it smell like burgers?
It's my first mermaid burger full.
Crap. Oh crap.
I can't breathe. That looks really good.
I got a rumbly in my tummy for grilled cheese.
Chef Jaden, how's it feeling? How's it feeling?
I've seen this. I've seen them do this in prison to the people.
Oh.
So I'm just trying it. What is you trying? The other side looks better.
I think it's done.
Yeah. Plate, sap, ASAP.
Here you go, good with it one.
Yeah. You leave me alone.
Do handwork, Jaden.
Wait, we gotta do the grilled cheese dance.
Do handwork with it, Jaden.
That's nasty.
Oh, it's just like my ex-wife, Karen.
When you ate her. Oh, you're not supposed to. I mean.
Yo, I smell it cooking. I smell it cooking. I smell it cooking. Yo, I smell it cooking. 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 You're garbage and you can't smell it.
Woo! Let's get that kid.
Let her open. Let's see how she's looking, though.
Hey, she be looking fine.
How's she looking, though? How's she looking in the middle, though? How's she looking?
Big cheese.
Let's get it, baby.
Disgusting. Let's get it.
How was it?
Maybe one slice too much.
Like 20 slices. Alright guys, so I think this is pretty clear you didn't like it. What are your thoughts on it, Fusion Donut?
So, it had too much cheese and we use cheddar, which I like American cheese more on like sandwiches and stuff. And we're gonna do more of these videos.
So far, the burger was better?
Yeah, the burger was better. This one was garbage.
What do you rate the burger?
Like, you wanna lick my fingers?
What do you rate the burger?
Like, out of 10,
Mm-hmm.
I think, maybe like a 7.
And what do you rate this?
2. No,
0.
the school's grilled cheese is better.
Alright.